Hi everyone, this is Akshay, your product expert at Learnyst. So today we are continuing with the website development, and this is the second episode we are currently doing it. So as yesterday, or we can say last episode, we see that how you can use the template, what are the template settings we have, and how we can use the font, how we can change the font style, how we can hyperlink some of the action event that we can perform in a particular tool or a button and all. So we have completed the first episode. In this episode we will be looking at how to use some of the widgets which is introduced by the learners itself. So let's get started. So we'll explore each and every widget which is available in the website developer. So let's get started. So we'll jump directly to the website building. So yeah, so as you know that currently we are working on the particular landing pages which is only for the ebook selling. So today we will be exploring some of the widgets which is available. So for that there are some tools and functionality which has to be done from the admin portal so that it will be directly reflected when the widget will be directly being used. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, we have an option of the widget icon. You just have to click here, and after that you will be clicking, you'll be getting a lot of superpower which has been introduced by learners. It can be a navbar, footer, sales card, product list, and these are the syllabus list, a MyQ, group menu, sign up form, or a login form if you want to add. So these are the widgets, or we can say superpower, which has been introduced by Learnyst. So we will be exploring each and every widgets. So first of all, let's get started with the nav bar. So nav bar, we can see this is the first. Just have to click here, and it will be redirected here. So as you can see here, I am already getting my logo of my institute. I'm already getting a title, I'm getting a sign up and signing options as well. So how these things are working? So since when you are updating your admin dashboard with the logo, branding part, and other functionality, it will be directly integrated since the LMS is directly connected with the website developer. So we'll explore each and everything here itself. So I'll start from the scratch itself. So you just have to click on the edit button and it will be redirected here. So as of now, I'm just cutting each and everything so that I can explore. I can also show you how to explore these things. All right, I'll just save it here. So as a nav bar, you can see, I'll just cancel it very quickly. So this is the nav bar right now. So these are no data and all. So if you just click on edit, now the add content option will be coming up. So how does it work? So you just have to click on the add content. So what you want to add in a particular navigation bar. So first of all, if I want to add my logo, so if I just select here a logo, it will be redirected here. If I want to upload anything, so first of all, the logo type, it is based on the image if you want, or if you want to show the name itself, I can show the name as well. So my institute name is Fly High Classes. So you can also write any other thing as well. So for example, Fly High Academy. So it will be written like this. Even if you want to paste a particular URL so that it should be redirected to some page as well, you can add the logo URL as well. You can also set up the colors as well, whatever the color if you want to add it. It's just upon you how you want to show the color branding and all. And this will also you can also have, we also have an option to stretch block. So for example, if I just enable this will be stretched. So alignment will, you can set it here. So this will take the whole position of the navigation bar. So for example, if you don't want to add any other data like search bar or sign up or signing thing, and you just want to show a particular name of your institute, you can directly add it here. And you just have to stretch this, you just have to enable this stretch block, and this will take the whole area. And you can also align it in the center, you can also align in the left as well, and you can also align in the center as well. So just upon totally upon you. Right now I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use my logo which has already been there. And if you also want to upload your own logo in a particular website, you can also do that. So for example, if I want to paste this logo, for example, so this I kept for the different purpose, just for selling and all. So for example, if I want to use this logo in a website. So this can be used in a different landing pages as well. So for example, if you're creating a landing page only for the webinar or a scholarship test landing pages, so this can be also used in a particular landing pages. If you don't want to show your own logo in a particular landing pages, you can also edit here itself. You can also import your own logo, and you can also update it. So right now I'll be using my own logo, which has already been updated in my admin dashboard, where you can see that and where you can update it. So this is my admin dashboard. I'll go to the website and app functionality. I'll go to this branding section, and when you'll go into the about school option, you can see the school image is directly already been added here. So it is directly integrated with the LMS. So automatically when you will be selecting the logo, it will directly take this image as a by default logo image. So yeah, I'll go back. Now I've added a logo which will be looking like this. Nothing add much more right now I've added. So by default it will be looking like this. As you can see, this is the only image which is coming. Now you can also add other contents as well. For example, now I want to add a search option. So I'll just select this search option, and this search option, whenever this is being clicked, if you want to navigate to a particular new tab, that can be also be enabled and disabled, up to you. So how you can use it. So for example, I've just added these two options. Now I also have an option for designing. Like for example, I want a red background or a white background. You can use this color. Like for example, if I want to put red, black, something, so by default it will be taking the navigation background color. So yeah, so if I want, I'll just keep it orange, for example. I can keep it, otherwise you can go with the white itself. That's upon you. Text color you can also change. You can also change the border color as well. If it's just, you can also check the text size as well. If I just do 20, so it will be big, but by default I'll take the 16 only. So that is the by default we have kept it. Now the sticky background color as well. So for example, if I'm also using this design to overlay or normal position, so we can also change the designs as well. That's up to on you. Enable sticky banner, it will be sticky whenever it will be scrolled down. It's upon you. So for example, I'm doing right now, so it should be sticky. Now I'll just save it. So if I scroll down, this will be coming like this. Yeah. I'll just go to the edit option now. Now more content which we can add right now is that if I want to add the profile menu, search option, buttons, and all these things. So logo we have added. We have added the search option. Now we will be exploring the horizontal menu, drop down menu, mega menu, and profile menu, and all these things. So if I just click on the horizontal menu, and for that we have to make the menus as well. So that is the first thing which we have to do it right now. So as of now I'm just keeping with the two things, that is the logo and the search bar. We will be creating some menus. So how we can create the menus? So we have to navigate to the website and app, and under the website and app you have to go to the navigation menu, and under the navigation menu you can see right now I have created some of the already existing menu titles and all. So I'll be just deleting right now, and we will be exploring from the scratch itself. So I'll just delete quickly. Is there anything I have to do? Okay, so by default we have a default type which is social, learner menu, and main menu. So for example, if I want to create a social menu, I can fill with the social links or the pages which we have already created. So I'm right now I'll be working with the main menu. What are the things we will be getting at drop downs and all. So here what you can do, you just have to click here and you will be navigated to add menu option. It can be pages, it can be product, or it can be links. So for example, this main menu will only have the product pages. So if I want to select any of the products, so for example, if I want to explore some products, that can be like this yoga. Already by default, since it is already been integrated, it will directly use the icon which is already been used for this course. So this course has used this image. So what will be next things? Visible to logged in user only. Make this page only available to logged in users. So it will be only used when the sign up user will be using. And also open in a new tab. So that is up to you how you can add it. So for example, I have added this product main menu. I'll add some other products as well. This will be for the UPSC part. So I've added the second as well. I'll add the third as well, just for the making more clear. So I'll now it's all added. So I've added few things. The action event, I can also edit these things if I want to add it. I don't want to do such things. So right now we have added main menu with the three product page. So whenever the main menu will be clicked, it will be showing the three pages. That will be product pages. That is yoga, UPSC community. These are my courses. Accordingly, you can create your courses as well. So I've added the main menu. Now, if I come here again, if I click on the edit option and if I go to the select the horizontal menu. If I want to create a like mega menu, I can select that. But right now I want to do the drop down menu. Like, so whenever this icon will be clicked, drop down things will become coming up. If I want to select a horizontal menu, I can also do that as well. I can select main menu option, so this will be coming like this. If you want to show like these things like this, you can show it. If I want to show a drop down menu with main menu, so whenever this will be clicked, drop down things will be coming. I want it to the right part, I can select in the right part as well. But alignment, I'll make it left only. I can also use the colors as well. And I'll just, if I want to use the mega menu option, I can select a particular menu that I have to create it. So for example, I'll be going with the drop down menu as of now. And this alignment should be go to the right part. Can I get the right part? And it should be, I'll not change anything right now. I'll just change some of the colors just for the explanation or getting a result. That's up to you. Yeah, that's for that. Yeah, so I've added the red and violet color. My alignment is in the left. I've selected a drop down menu and I've selected that particular menu which I have created just now. And I'll enter the text as well, like courses, or I can also write free courses like this. And now I'll save it. Save, and this will be looking like this. So for example, I'll just quickly save it and I'll just go to show the preview option, how it will be looking. I'll just click on the preview button and it will be redirected to a preview page. So right now currently we are doing this. So I'll just show, yeah. So right now this is the navigation bar which we have created. The search bar is here. We have added the logo as well. Now if I just click on the free courses, now you can see the yoga, UPSC and communication. The color are not good, but you can change anything if I want to change the color option. So that's upon you. I'll just quickly change here. Drop down menu, edit. I'll select the color as white only. Let's go with the white and it should be black. And I'll save it. Save this option, save from here as well. And I'll also preview. I'll close this preview, previous preview. Now I'll get some different color. Let's check. All right, so yeah, if I click here, now it is good. So I can see these were my three courses. So I'll just, if I click here, it will be redirected to the product detail page. So that is already hyperlinked. So this is the benefit you'll be getting with LMS directly connected with the website builder. So yeah, now I'll go back again, go with my stock ebooks and all. So we were working on the navigation bar right now. So right now we got to know that how this works. Now for example, if I also want to have a like another pages and all, So if you want to show the in case of product pages, if you want to show some landing pages, if you want to show, so what you have to do right now is that I'll create a new navigation menu, and this will be for the landing pages. Just for the reference, you can add different pages name as well, just upon you how you want to show. And if you're making a mega menu, which I'll be telling you in the further sessions, I'll keep it simple. Menu type will be simple. If you're creating a mega menu, it will be group wise. So for example, right now I'm just keeping it very simple. So I've added a landing, that is a custom type. I'll come here now, I'll add some pages. Now I'll be adding some pages right now. So which page? So for example, this is a webinar page. I'll select the webinar pages as well. So these are my masterclass webinar which I've already added. And right now I'll just select, quickly go and select some images so that you should look at least good. So I'll come here, you can just cut this. I will go to the pixel. Yeah, now I'll just add some webinar logo. I'll quickly add some image. So for example, I can take anyone. If I want to do have with this image, I can just free download it. So just for the reference, I'm just showing you any image can be added here. So I'll just quickly save this image. I'll go to the stock, this option, sorry, yeah. Now I'll just quickly upload the image. So this was the image which I was looking. So now I have uploaded the image. This will be looking like this. I'll add this as an image. Now I added the landing page. First landing page looks like this, webinar page. I'll add different page as well. So what I have, I also have like a need page. For example, I want to add a need page as well. I can select a need page which I've already created. See, these are the landing pages which has already been published, and that you can also add in a particular menu as well. So if I just select a webinar page for this, and I will just quickly add another image as well. For example, this image, I'll click on the free download option. I'll go again here. I'll come here. I'll select the browse file. So we have selected this image. I'll just update it quickly. Now second landing pages has been added. Now what I have to do again, I'll go to this page now. Now I have to go to edit option. Now I'll be using some horizontal menu I can show, or a drop down menu again. But if I want to show a profile menu or other thing, so let's go with the horizontal menu. Let's select the menu. What was the menu name which I did was the landing pages. So I'll select this landing pages. I selected a landing page as well, and it will be looking like this. And alignment, let's give save and all. So I've selected the landing pages. I save it here. Now I'll save this. I'll go to the preview option now. Now I'll go to the preview option. So this will look like this. So we have a drop down menu is already been existing here. So we have a drop down menu. We have a separate pages as well. If I just click here, it's already the landing pages which is already been published. It will be looking like this. And if you want to open a new tab, there is an option to enable the new tab option as well. So we have a need page as well, just like that we have already created a separate landing pages. So we have understood the drop down menu, we have understood the horizontal menu, and how to create this menu option. We have also got then an idea about that. Now moving forward, we will go to the edit option now. I'll go to the add content page. Now we will be understanding, we have completed the logo part, we have completed the horizontal menu, we have completed the drop down menus. Now we will be understanding about the mega menus, profile menu, and buttons. So let's get started with the mega menu option. So in order to select the mega menu, we have to do some landing pages, we have to create some admin dashboard settings and all. I'll come here, I'll go to the navigation menu. Now we will be doing for the mega menu. So let's get started with the mega menu. So if I select a mega menu, just for the reference, I'll make it as a group wise. I'll make it save now. Now I'm doing for the save option, mega menu. I'll just select a save, add the menu. Now we are creating some menus which will be added in a particular menu. So I'll select a landing page, the page which I've already created. I'll go with those pages as well. So I'll go with the learner menu. I'll go with the main menu. So we have added this learner menu. There is no menu item, so I'll just deselect it, remove it. Now I've added the mega menu. I have already added it. Now I'll go to here, I'll select the option. Right now it will not come, but I'll make it save. It's looking like this. I'll go to the edit option again. I'll add the content now, and which will be having a mega menu option. Now this mega menu will have this section which we already created. Now what should I call this? This should be called as mega button. Just for the difference, you can add anything. Just for my understanding, I'm just showing it out how you want to show it. This, it can be cascade, it is a different style. Basically, I'll just show you some of the styles. If I select the grid menu, how it will be looking, I'll just show you. I've selected the mega menu. I'll just make it quickly, make it save option now, and will show the different type of stylings which we have introduced. So first of all, the first style, I close the previous buttons. So the first type will be mega button, which will be looking like this. Webinar pages, landing pages. So it can be scrolled down. Main menus pages will be looking like this, and the landing pages. So it's a separated view which you will be getting. Now coming back to again, if I want to show in a different way, I'll go to the mega menu option. I'll select the option to the cascade menu. Now once you have selected the cascade menu from the grid menu, it will be looking like a different way. I'll show the third one as well. I'll cancel the previous one. It will reopen it. Now the mega option will be looking like this. So we have an option, so this will be looking like this. We have a landing pages, main menu. So this is a cascade view. Now I'll just quickly show you the last one, which is, I'll go to the edit option. I'll show you the mega menu edit button here, and if I want to change the vertical view, which is more relevant, and I can also set the alignments as well, but as of now I'll just go with the default settings and all. I'll save it now, and I'll just make it preview. So once I'll make it preview, I'll be able to see a different view of the mega menus. So mega menu works like that. It's a different menu, it's a set of menu that you can create it, and you can also navigate in a different part of the menus as well. So if I just select on the mega button, now I'll be able to select. That is more convenient for me. It's looking very nice. I can select here and here. So that's up to you how you will be creating. So we have understood few things under the navigation bar. So if I select the edit option, now I have understood logo part. We have understood. I'll select. We have understood the logo. Horizontal menu we have understood. We have understood the drop down menus. What are the mega menu? And lastly, which is now the search, we have also understood. Now we have a profile menu that basically signing and sign up pages will be coming. So I'll make it save here. I'll make it as a alignment in a right part or center we can do, and stretch box if we can enable. No, okay, that's more convenient. That's up to you how you want to show it. I've already saved. Now profile is basically the sign up and by default signing and sign up button that is already been connected with the LMS, so it will be redirected to the sign up and signing pages. Now we have to understand the button. What is button link? So button that you want to create by a custom thing. So for example, if I want to redirect it to my community page, so for example, if I am working on a particular learner, I'll just show you how this works. If I just quickly open my learn page and I want to redirect it to this page, so I'll just copy this URL link, and button link will be this, button text will be learn page, learn page, and this should be outlined, or it should be some text. I will go with the filled option, that is more looking good. I can also send the changes of the color as well, and this is how it will be looking. Now if I want to do some other settings as well, we have other settings, that is alignment, color button and all. That is up to you how you save it. Now we have understood a lot more things about the navigation bar. So we have completed almost, we have done the logo, we have understood the horizontal menu, drop down menu, mega menu, profile menu, search option, and the button option. So I'll just make it save. I don't want anything extra. Cancel this. Yeah, so I'll just save it. Now my navigation bar is looking like something that we have already added a lot of data. So I'll just show you how the navigation bar will be looking after doing all these things. So first of all, we can see we have our logo option, we have a search title. Now we have a free courses that I've already added as a drop down menu. We have a horizontal menu for the separated landing pages with which we created. Now we have a mega button menu that will be redirect to landing pages, main menu, and we have a profile button, profile menu as well, that is the signing and sign up pages. And we have a custom button that you can create by your own link. So whenever this will be clicked, the link which you have already filled it here, it will be redirected to the particular link itself. So that's a good part, you can create your own buttons and all in this navigation bar. So as of now we have understood the navigation option. We will be continuing with the different widgets as well, since the navigation bar had some different type of tools to understand. So this was a separate for the navigation part. So in the next session we will be also understanding the other widgets as well, and that will be a quick session. So thanks for joining. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Thank you. All right. So we can see that we have used the nav bar. Now we will be exploring about the footer. So footer is just a very quick thing to understand. So if I just apply this widget option with a footer, so this will be automatically will be coming. So all the data which is already there in your admin dashboard under the branding section, that will be redirected here. So for example, I'll just show you. I'll go to my admin dashboard here. Now in the admin dashboard, I'll go to the website and app. Under the branding section, I'll go to the web branding and about school option, both the things that we will gonna explore it. So here, the school name, browse title, about school, and the logo, we can understand these are already fetching into the widgets and all. If I just click on save and next, these are the social link which is already been there itself. So if I put a telegram link here, for example here, I'll be able to see the telegram pages under the footer that is already been integrated, so it will automatically will be visible. So I'll just explore and will show you. So for example, I've added a widget of footer. If I go and click on the edit option, I'll be able to get the contents like the logo, policies, and app links. So what are the policies? So whatever the privacy policy, billing policies, or like the return policy, terms and condition policy, so these things which you have already updated in your website, and so that will be directly fetching this data. So you can just check all these policy under the website section. If you scroll down, all the policies will be added here. So whatever the policy you will be updated, it will be reflected in the footer bar. So for example, I'll just show you the terms and condition. So I'll just select on that. You can also add your custom domain. Once the custom domain will be added, you can also update the policies, and that will be redirected to the data will be fetched in the footer bar. So I'll just show you. For example, if I want to show the policies, I'll select the policies option. Policies will be coming here, and if I select the logo, policies, app links, if you have shared in the branding section, where if I just go to the branding, about school, save and next. So if you are, all the data should be filled here, the app link, Android, iOS, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. So we have given basics social media platform handle links to be added. So if you add all the data here, it will be reflected in the footer bar automatically. So if you have add the content, now I have added the logo, menus, policies, app link. So if I also select a menu will be coming. If I can also add the menu, what kind of menu it is. Now again, if you want to add some menu down as well, if you have a specific menu to do that, you can also add the main menu. If I have already created a main menu like this, it will be coming here also, which I have already added in a navbar. So right now I don't want to do that. I'll just cancel this menu bar. So we have updated, and you can also click on the design option. In the design you can also add the background color. So that's upon you how you would like to highlight. I will keep this with a white and black text color. So yeah, this is the footer you will be using. So not more to explore about the footer, because it's already fetching the data from the admin dashboard and it's already reflecting in the widget option. So that's how you will be able to see that. If I just save it and I'll just show you the preview option. I close the previous pages. So I can see my nav bar is already been created. I'll be able to see in the nav bar option. So right now you can see this is the nav bar. So as you can see, this is the sticky which we have added like here. So if you want to add the color as well, you can add the color, and if you want to make it constant, you can also keep it as a sticky as well. So right now I was wanted to show you the footer option. So this is the footer option. If you will be updating the policies after domain, after mapping your domain, the policies will be reflected here. More or less, these are the social links which will be available. So automatically, whenever you will be adding the links in a particular branding section, about school section, you'll be able to get these result here itself. So this is the basic things about the two main widget, which is a navigation bar and a footer. So we'll be explaining exploring more about that. So yeah, so this is for the first session. Next, in the next session we will be also exploring about the more detail about the other widgets as which is available. So we will be quickly exploring these things. These are the very basics things and the more powerful things which we have introduced in a Learnyst widget options. If you want to show sales car, product list, pricing plan, already which are the widgets which is already been used in most website builder which we provide, in terms of embedding it, in terms of creating some codes and all. We have already created these widget which is automatically connected with the RLMS, and it will be directly fetching the data. Whenever you will be using this widget option, the data will be showing up. So it's a very useful tool which I'll be exploring in the next session. So I hope you guys have understood about the navigation and the footer bar, and then in the next session we will be exploring about all the widget which is already been available, and we will be completing the second thing. And moving on to the next part, we will be also exploring about the pages as well. So thanks for joining. So yeah, thank you, bye bye.